Sister, welcome.
Thank you.
My eldest.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hi,
I'm Jones.
Elizabeth.
Okay. So, are you married?
Sister, let me see you off. I'll be right back, okay?
Yes, so I'm here.
Mama.
Oh, you're back.
Yes, Mama.
Hey.
Mama. Who was that guy that I just saw living with Chiza?
That was why I asked you to come.
That was why you asked me to come?
Yes.
Mama,
Yes?
you asked me to come because of that forfeit that I just saw?
Yes.
Okay.
Because, Elizabeth,
Mama,
your younger sister is already married in her husband's house with a son. And the youngest one is about to get married. That was the man you saw her with.
Mama, I don't understand. What does that have to do with me? I need to understand.
It has a lot to do with you.
Okay.
Yes. It has a lot to do with you.
Okay.
Because you are their elder sister. You have not brought any man for me yet in this house. Because the river does not flow backward. It flows front. But in your own case, I don't understand what you want for your life.
Mama, wait. I need to understand something. Is this why you called me to leave my work in the city to come back?
Mm-hmm.
Mama, you called me to come back and come and see who?
The man that your sister
You actually called me to come back because of this. Mama, couldn't you have told me about this on the phone?
If I told you that on the phone, you would think I'm exaggerating. That was why I wanted you to come and see with your two eyes.
To come and see who, Mama? Nwa Wuli Obiano? Nwa Dakwambo? Nwa Oyo? Nwa Ngige? Wuli Obiano? Who the hell did you ask me to come and see? Mama, when I came into this compound, I did not see any convoy. In fact, that man should not be even up to 3.8 feet. That dwarf, that expired midget. You asked me to come and see an expired pig milk, Mama.
Elizabeth!
Expired milk.
Bring a dwarf for me. Bring home a dwarf man for me. I will accept him as a son-in-law. Elizabeth, whether rich or poor, a man is a man. Don't count on a man's beginning. His ending, that's what matters.
Really, Mama?
Yes!
Mama, you would have told me that you called me back to the village for you to mock my singlehood, right? Like I'm single.
Yes.
Mama, let me tell you something you don't know. I rather remain single than bring back a man that is lower than 6 feet for you. If you in a minute, a man beginning another than ending. It ain't for me, man. I ain't doing that shit.
Bring back a dwarf for me. As son-in-law will take him. You will not remain single in my house. Not in my house. Not in this house. You must get married. Don't worry. Let me finish what I'm doing.
Sister, are you going already?
What sort of stupid question is that? No, I am staying back. Any problem?
So soon?
Auntie, any problem?
Sister, we need to discuss.
Discuss about what?
There is something I want to tell
Listen,
you.
I have something very important to do at the office in the city. And if it's about that expired midget, that borough postman that managed to wear some yellow up and down, and that borough post cap that you wear, shut up! Right in front of you, he insulted me, he did not say anything. Which one is, are you married? Because he managed to pick some change to get married, Abby?
It's okay, eh? Please, calm down. I'm sorry.
That expired shrimp. What is it? What do you want to tell me? Listen, Mama already told me about the guy, if that's what you want to tell me.
I hope you are not angry.
Angry for what? Angry for what?
Okay, sister.
Because you managed to wear a green and green cloth that is open by the side with a purple hair like someone that wants to fly.
Sister, stop. It's
like
okay.
A baby monger.
It's okay.
Please talk.
Maybe I should have waited for you to get married first before my own. See, I actually said I wasn't going to get married though, until you are married first. But Mama said I shouldn't wait for you.
Mama will always tell you what to do now. No, Mama also told you not to have a pointed nose like every one of us. Mama also told you to have an homo nose. Abi, let's say today. If you want to get married, you get married. Marriage not by age. Do you understand me? If you have a carpenter to get married, you get married to a carpenter.
God forbid. Sister, you are insulting me. I don't like it.
What is
You
that
are
to insult
insulting
about
my
you?
man.
Go and work on your
I
lineage.
don't like it though. What is wrong with her?
Mama, please. What is all this, Mama? What is all this? Ha! Mama, seriously, if you do not want me to just stay back in the village with you, just let me know on time if you don't want to give me peace. And let me take myself back to the city.
Elizabeth, Abatarianoso, you cannot run away from your shadow. Elizabeth, no matter how hard you try, I must tell you the truth.
What truth are you talking about, Mama?
Oh, the truth I'm telling you is that all your mates are all married. They are all in their husband houses. Chinasa is in her husband house with 3 kids. What about Uchechi? Uchechi just had set of twins. Her mother is in her house for Mugwa. Elizabeth, when will your own time come? When will I come to your house for Mugwa? When?
Mama, point of correction, you just compared me with some expired calories. Yes, Mama. Those people you just mentioned now are nothing but expired calories in this village. Why would you compare me with them? Secondly, Mama, how is it by making that I am still unmarried? How?
Oh, you don't know how it's your making. You don't know how it's your making.
Mama, I don't know.
When I talk, you start speaking big English to me. What's that you tell me? I have myopic mind.
Mama, I just said you have a local mentality.
Okay, local mentality.
That's what I said.
Thank you. I'm Gagwagi. I will tell you that in education, I borrow edukuche. When you were busy, Elizabeth, roaming from one clubhouse to the other, you have forgotten that a day like this will come.
Mama, what does jumping from one clubhouse to another have to do with this? For goodness sake, I have already stopped the job. I long time quit the job.
Onyano, you have quit the job of Isape, Isachie.
Mama, I just opening and closing.
Open and close. You have stopped it. Ask them what I know if able for Pisaka. Can you jadu yodo? Onuya. When I get anu onye, I chaptali Pisakili. Elizabeth, Isape, Isachie.
Mama, I didn't must Paul.
Ina must Paul. No problem. The stigma still lingers. The stigma remains even if in 20 years' time. Whenever anybody comes around to marry you, those that know you will tell him that you were once a stripper in a club.
Mama, thank you so much. You just cost me. It's in 20 years' time. That means you're not even praying to have grandchildren. I can understand that. Mama Biko, I am begging you. Since you know all these things, can you at least give me peace of mind? Can I have peace?
Peace to do what? Peace to leave you alone so that you will not get married. I see one again. I say kissing. Elizabeth, you must get married. I said I want to tell Onya Molonwa. I draw Onya na Anoya. In Anu, you must get married. I did not remain in my mother's house. You will not remain in my house. You must get married. You must give me grandchildren. I must carry your children. I must come to your house for Mugo.
Mama, please, you are stressing yourself. You're black and it's like combining moon and sun. Can I go say and eat the food that you gave me, then I can carry myself and go back to the city?
I will not ask you not to eat, but I must tell you the truth.
So you mean to tell me that your mother called you to the village for nothing serious?
My dear, please. That woman would never change. Can you believe she called me to come back to the village just for her to be singing about my singlehood and all that? I just got fed.
It's a lie.
I am
Stop.
telling you. That woman is like a bone in my throat. She's like a thorn in my flesh. I can't even deal.
Oh my goodness. So what was her reason for calling you then?
My dear, my younger sister Zara is getting married. So that was a better opportunity for her to get at me.
I mean, when will our mother stop?
I don't know. Dear.
Is it our fault that men are not coming to us? Is it our fault?
You know, I think it's actually my fault.
Please don't
No,
stop.
seriously, I feel it's my fault.
Lizzie, can you just stop? Marriage will come at its own time. We will get our desired husbands when its time is right.
You know, you're the only one who is always giving me this false hopes. Why are you always doing this? Just tell me the truth. You know what? You're useless. You can never get married. No man is going to find you worthy.
Lizzie. Yes, you were a notorious stripper. Everybody knew you. Yes. What about me? Was I a stripper? No. But I'm not yet married. Listen, girl. I know how you feel. I know the pressure you're going through. But I want you to know that I'm with you on this together. We'll fight through this. Our desired men will come. And we're gonna get married, okay?
You know, at this point, I am beginning to see you like some Mommy Gio with a wig.
What?
With some lashes.
You get Chris for your head. Girl, come on.
Hi.
Hi.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Please do have a seat.
Thank you once again.
You're welcome.
You are the boss of this company. I mean, you're the owner of this wonderful firm.
You mean the little thing?
It might be small, but I must say that I'm impressed with the things I saw outside. You know, from outside to the reception to the showroom, then in here. I mean, everything about this firm is superb.
Thank you. I must confess, I am flattered.
You're welcome. My name is Mike.
Oh, Mr. Mike, you're welcome. Okay, how may we be of service to you?
Okay, good. Straight to business. I came into the town not quite long ago. I've been away for like 10 years. And I want to establish my business, but I want to start with this city first. Okay, so I got a 6-bedroom duplex.
Okay.
And I'm this kind of person that I am very classy. I love tastes, and my taste is too high. Okay? I mean, I'm a very good interior decorator. So your company was recommended to me. That's why I'm here.
I see. Okay, I must confess, you are at the right place. We have classy, decorations and all that. My secretary will be showing you our charts, but first of all, I would like to find out, are you married? No, come off it. That's not what I meant. What I was just trying to say was that, when it comes to decorations, we always want to find out if our clients are married or not. Because at the end of the day, after all the decorations, the wife might not even like the colors we used, the materials and all that. So we always want to find out from them because they have the final say. They do.
I see. Okay, maybe you work in that capacity for me now.
Excuse me.
Are you married yourself?
No, I'm not.
Then we are good to go. So for how long is it going to take you to get everything ready? I mean, to fix the house. How long?
Well, according to our chat, I think it's going to take approximately 2 weeks.
Okay. I'm going to make the transfer this evening.
Well, that would be nice. Once payment is being made, I will commence work immediately.
You know, I love to see young ladies like you being the CEOs and the directors of their own businesses.
I'd say, thank you. I mean, I appreciate such compliments.
Is it not yet time you told me your name?
Oh, my bad. My name is Elizabeth.
Oh, Lizzie.
I just told you Elizabeth. I prefer people calling me by my full name.
And I prefer to call you Lizzie, and that is what I'll be calling you.
Fine. I mean, it's still my name, right? Fine, no problem.
It's all right. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Take care.
I'll see you.
Bye. What sort of man is this? I mean, he's so funny, jovial, and I also think he's caring. And to top it all, he's still single. Oh, please, Elizabeth, you need to calm down. Just calm down. Oh, he's so cute. Anyways, I think I need to snap out of this and then go back to work, Elizabeth. Oh, finally! I think it's high time I get started with the work.
What happened?
Ah, babe, you will not believe it. Well, let's just say I just got an alert, and trust me, it is quite huge.
Ha! This alas must cost a fortune. Tell me about it.
Oh, please stop. It's not even about business. It's about the guy. You know, there's this cute guy who actually came into my office, and then he came to make inquiry about his 6-bedroom duplex. It wasn't just about the inquiries and all that. It's about the way he talks, his sense of humor, the way he addresses me, the fact that he's single, he's tall. Oh my goodness God, everything about him is just warming and amazing and exquisite and romantic.
Woo! I see love. Girl, you know, all my years I have been with you, I haven't seen you spoken about a guy romantically. Like, girl, you are definitely in love. Do you know, at some point I felt like we were probably a lesbian, but you haven't actually touched me, so it's
Are
fine.
you fucking
I know, girl! I see love with
shut up.
chest love.
You know what? You can call it love at first sight or whatever you want to call it. I don't know, but I think I'm feeling something for this guy. And I think it's really deep, like deep down.
Oh, happy day. Oh, happy day.
Hey.
Oh, happy day. Hey, when
Why is he calling me by this time? Yes, hello, sir.
Hello there. I hope I'm not disturbing your sleep.
Oh, no, not at all. Not at all.
Okay, have you seen the alert?
Yes, I sent you an acknowledgement text. I mean, didn't you get it? Well, I'm sorry if you didn't get a text.
Actually, I've seen the test, yeah.
Oh, you did?
I'm not really calling you for the money. I'm actually calling you for something else.
Oh, okay. What is it?
You know, since I left your office, I've been thinking about you. But I've been wondering, how come you're not married yet? Or did you lie to me?
I don't have any reason to lie to you.
I mean, you're a young, beautiful, wonderful girl. You're beautiful, eloquent, industrious. I'm not married yet. Does it mean men have not seen the qualities in you?
I wouldn't know.
Okay. Maybe there's a part of you I didn't know yet. It's like you're a nagging person.
Not at all. I'm not a nag, sir. I'm sorry.
Okay, no problem. If you say so, but I'll do my findings.
I wish you were the luck.
I like you a lot. I like you a whole lot. I've never stopped thinking about you since I left your office.
Same here.
Are you sure?
Yes, as a matter of fact, that's why I'm still awake. I mean, usually I should be sleeping by this time, but I've just been thinking about you.
Wow. For real? Wow. I think that's destiny playing here. Okay, I'm going to allow you sleep. Maybe tomorrow we'll talk more.
Okay. Good night. Bye.
How are you?
I'm good.
You look good.
Thank you. You could have a seat.
Okay. I know we have business together, but I didn't come for that. Okay? I've come to take you out. I've come to take you to a place where we can sit and discuss privately.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm at your service, my lord.
Okay. You take your things and let's go.
Okay.
Good.
Okay. I can't stay. I can't even stay there without you.
Same here. I feel like staying with you all day long.
Tell me, who are you?
I've already told you.
Yeah, I know you've told me, but I think there's something you didn't tell me. I don't get it. I don't know why I keep falling for you. The more I try to withdraw myself from you, the more I feel. And I don't used to believe in love. But ever since I met you, I see myself drawing more closer to you. It's as if, they call it love at first sight. So, I decided to inquire from you. What charm did you use on me?
I'm not using any charm on you.
Please.
It's just that I believe we're meant to be together. Fate is bringing us together. I believe that we have a lot in common. Yeah, we have a lot in common. And apart from my secondary school lover, I've never had anything to do with any woman.
Really? Wow. Okay, so where is she? Who is she?
We lost contact after our secondary school. Then I traveled out. And since then, you are the only woman I've had something so strong with.
Tell me more about it. Because it's becoming, it's getting more interesting. Okay. Come on.
Good evening, Auntie Faye.
Good evening. Where are you heading to?
I'm done for the day.
Done for the day?
Yes.
Why are you leaving your auntie in the office?
No, my madam is not in the office.
Is that not her car?
It is. We had a client in the morning and she left with him. She has not returned yet.
Oh, interesting. Ah.
Yes.
So did you call her before leaving?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
She asked me to close for the day, that she's not yet through.
I can see.
Oh, she's back.
Oh.
All right. Bye, Auntie.
Okay, cool. Girl! What's up? How are you?
I'm sorry for wasting your whole day.
No, you did not. As a matter of fact, I enjoyed my day.
For
All
real?
thanks to you.
Business comes first.
But you know what they say? All work and no play makes Lizzie a dull girl.
So when am I getting my materials?
Okay, your materials are supposed to be completed 2 weeks maximum. But I'll be sending some things within 2 days, like next tomorrow.
All right then.
Okay, so I have to get going.
You have a nice day.
And you too.
Yeah.
See ya.
Yeah.
Bye. What do we have here?
I should be the one asking you
Where are
that.
you coming from?
I should be the one asking you that exact question. Where are you coming from?
Well, let's just say Besides, I spoke with my girl 1 hour ago to
Okay.
lock up the office. Did you see her?
Yeah, she just left. I met her at the staircase.
Oh.
She told me you went out. So tell me, who is that guy that just dropped you off?
Hey, God. Listen, he was just a guy
A
that I'm...
guy! Girl, you two like man!
You're such a drama queen. Can you just get into the car? Let's go
Okay, you
already.
know what? You're dropping me off at my place. So you can give me the juicy gist, okay?
Oh, fine. I'm tired.
Sugar, I can't believe my eyes. I don't get it. What's so special about her?
I don't get it.
Do you? I just told you I don't.
Okay, cool. It's not about her beauty, her height, or her color. It is about her puzzle.
Puzzle? What puzzle are you talking about?
She's not yet married. She should be in her late 30s, 40s, or even more.
Really?
Now you get it.
You mean Zara's older sister is still unmarried? Why are you about to get married to Zara?
That's not even my problem. My problem is, how can a beautiful girl like her, who has a lucrative business of her own, still single up till date? Bro, something is not adding up here at all.
Are you suspecting something?
If you're in my shoes, what will you do?
You never can tell. Nothing might be wrong with her. Maybe she's just unlucky.
Unlucky, you said?
Yes. The race is not for the swift, remember?
I don't believe you.
You don't believe me? Okay, are you trying to tell me that all these beautiful girls roaming the street of this town, that they have bad character or something fishy about them, that has kept them unmarried?
Most of these girls you see, they are runs girls, brother. They are runs girls. They jump from one bed to another. I mean, who wants to marry a prostitute? Will you?
Well, you have a point here too.
I do.
So, how does this concern your relationship with Zara's sister?
I love Zara.
Okay.
The last time I checked, Zara is a good girl. That girl is so different. Zara came from me. She had a proper upbringing. Yes, a proper home upbringing. Maybe her sister shows her part, a part of their family upbringing. It's possible.
Well, thank God it has no negative impact.
This one Mama is calling me. Why is my mother calling me now? Mama. Mama, what have I done?
What have you not done? Mano, tell me exactly what you think you've not done.
Mama, what is it now?
Since you went to see these girls people, have you bothered to call me?
But I was just...
Just. It was just. Even if it's just today that you went to see them, were you not supposed to call me immediately to intimate me on the outcome of the visit? Eh?
Mama, I wanted to call you.
When next year, Abi?
Mama, well, everything went well. Everything went fine. Our journey was smooth and fine. Yes, we saw the mother and some of her uncles. And also, we saw her elder sister, who's not married yet. So her mother invited her to come home because we're coming.
Wait. Are you saying that girl has an elder sister that has never been married?
Yes, Mama, yes.
Hey.
Well, Mama, this is not what we're going to discuss on phone. I will come to the village. When I come, we'll talk about it. Don't worry yourself.
Okay, ma. Try and come, and if you're coming, please come along with her because I need to see my would-be daughter-in-law. I want to sit down with her, look into her eyes, and have a good look at her. Do you hear me?
Okay, Mama, anugom. Village.
Please, I cannot wait to see her. Thank you very much. Bye-bye, elder sister, no man.
So finally, you are leaving singlehood for us.
If we're going to consider, yes,
Hey.
so yes.
I am so happy for you, my friend.
Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much.
Don't be angry. What about your sister Elizabeth?
Oh, she's fine. She even visited them too, but she went back.
Okay. Don't be angry. If I may ask you this.
What?
Won't she be mad at you for trying to get married before her?
I really wanted her to get married before me, but my love is calling. Hello, baby.
Good morning, my love. How was the night?
Oh, my night was fine.
Mine was great, honey. Please, I would love you to come over to the house this evening. There is something very important I want us to discuss about.
I hope there is no problem.
It's about going to the village to go and visit my family. We've discussed about it now, baby.
Yes, it's true. Okay, I'll come over this evening. Let me put the necessary preparations into consideration, okay?
That's my baby. See you in the evening, honey.
That's my baby. I love you.
Love you too. Bye.
Love, sweet shell.
Yes, so my sister, love sweet oh. Please, oh, you
Pray to
better
God.
find your own love.
That's why I'm praying to God, though.
Don't worry, God will give you. Eh?
Amen.
Amen.
I'm happy for you, my friend. Come here, come here.
I promised Mama that we'll be coming this weekend to come and see her. What do you think? How do you see it?
It's fine. I had wanted to pay my elder sister a visit. But since you want me to follow you to the village so we could see Mama, no problem. I will have to cancel the trip.
I wouldn't want to alter your plans and your engagement. That's why I called you here, so that we'll sit and make proper plan. If you cannot make it this weekend, I can still call Mama and we can change the date.
No need. It was just a casual visit. I do visit my sister once in a while. I don't even have anything to. I just want to go and see her. So let me just go. But I can still cancel this trip.
So this weekend is good.
Very good, of course.
And I'm talking about your elder sister. Mama has already known that you have an elder sister who is not yet married. So I hope you know what to tell her in case if she asks you any question in that direction.
Honestly, you really got the eyes of your father. Eh? Hey!
You know I like good things now.
I also love good things. Eh? So just give me high five. Aka! You have the eyes of your father.
Thank you.
Hey, make a near. Obanye go nenu nwa nwata amaka. Eh? Obanye ofufo.
So she fits in now, Mama.
Yeah,
also now.
Perfectly.
Mama.
Mom.
Okay.
My son, you're welcome.
Alright, Mama. Thank you.
Adam, you are welcome.
Thank you.
So how are you? How about your mother? I hope she's fine.
Yes, Mama. She's fine. She sends her greetings.
Hey, yeah. Please, when you get home, send my greetings back to her.
I will.
Mama. I learned she has you 3 girls like this. Is that true?
Yes, Mama. My oldest sister, my immediate older sister and I.
So where are the others?
My immediate elder sister is married. She lives in Jos with her husband. She has 3 kids.
That is wonderful. And the oldest one, where is she?
She's not married yet.
And you want to marry before her?
Mama, she said I'm free to marry you. Yes, because there's no suitor yet. But I would have loved to see her married first before.
Yes. Oh, child. It's okay. Huh? It's okay, suitors will come. You're welcome, eh?
Thank you, Mama.
Are you sure you made proper inquiry about the family of this girl you're about to enter?
What? Is there any problem? Why are you asking?
My son, it's not like there is a problem, yet there is. It will be very, very good that you make proper inquiry. Ask questions.
get to know about this family very well. It will not be good to just enter this family blindly without knowing anything about them. Because if it is a family with good name and good record, their first daughter should be able to marry before others.
Mama, does it matter? Does it matter?
Ogo and Ajihan, does it matter? It matters, my son. It matters. Let me tell you, for a family to keep a good name or have a good name, the symbol of a good family is that their daughters, especially the eldest one, should be able to marry first when her mates are married. Not staying at home when all her mates are in their husband's house with children, or the younger ones getting married before her. It is not done. It is never a symbol of a good family.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay. I have to go. Don't worry. We're going to discuss about that later, please.
There is nothing to discuss.
Mama,
just
no
note
time.
it that is not good record. Ne.
When Jesus come. Wow. Wow. You're so wonderful. Both interior and exterior, everywhere is beautiful.
Like, you like the decoration?
I can't even express how I'm feeling about your job well done.
Oh my God. I'm glad you like it. Thank you.
Yes, I do. Everything is beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow. You know what?
Word.
This calls for celebration. Yes. I am going to take you out after we finish celebrating. Okay? Maybe for a drink or whatever you want.
Really? Wow, I am elated. I'm happy.
I
you
love
like
your
the
work.
decoration. Thank you.
You did a very beautiful job. Damn. This is good. I didn't know you're this good.
Thank you.
Can we make a toast?
So, to
job well done, more jobs, long life, peace, prosperity to Allah, and to all the good things in life. For love, together forever.
together forever.
Yes, baby.
Oh my God.
What's this?
It's a diamond ring.
Oh.
Baby. Ever since I set my eyes on you, you've actually made me a complete new man. Everything about you appeases my soul. I want to make this joy last forever. Will you marry me?
Come on, Faith. Babe, we're barely 2 weeks old and here you are proposing to me.
Yes, 2 weeks in the calendar, but in my mind, it's more than 2 decades. Yes. The compatibility, the soul alignment, the bond. Everything points to the fact that we are meant to be together. Please don't say no.
Why are you so perfect? Why are you doing this to me? You're not just trying to make me fall in love with you. Now you're trying to sweep me off my feet. Were you expecting me to say yes or no? Definitely say yes. I will marry you.
Beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. I'm complete now. You know, love happens. Yeah.
Baby.
Yeah, babe.
What are you doing here? I mean, we spoke moments ago. You never told me you were coming to my office.
I know. I wanted it to be a surprise.
Surprise?
Yeah, it's lunchtime. So I'm here to take you for lunch. And right from today onwards, I'm going to be your driver. I'll be the one taking you for lunch and bringing you back. So call me your driver.
You're joking, right?
I'm not, I'm serious.
Oh my goodness, God. Okay, fine. I have some work, but I'm just going to pack it up and then we move.
Okay. I'm waiting.
Okay, 1 minute.
Babe?
Yeah, baby.
I am tired of staying alone in that big house. Yeah, I am thinking maybe we should go meet your people, see your mom. Once she approves our union, then you can come over to the house. From there, we'll plan our wedding.
That was so easy for you to say. You know, I think you need to see my mom and my uncle. You need to make a proper introduction before you can talk about me moving in with you.
You're right. I need to see your people too.
Yeah.
Where do you start from?
Your mom.
Okay. Or do I call her to book
What are
a
you?
dinner with
Wait.
What?
Stop it. Why are you always on a speed limit? Please.